Good afternoon, my dear friends. I'm back, and I welcome all of you to my channel, Grand Talks. Again, I'm back with some question paper discussions. I'm going to discuss some questions from the question paper of Kannur University 4th semester BA degree examination of April 2020. The questions are from the paper BSc Footnote 2, Knowledge and Curriculum Part 2nd. And I'll be discussing the first two sections of the question paper. The questions which carry 1 mark and the questions which carry 2 marks. And again, reminding you that you should be careful when answering 1 mark questions and 2 mark questions. Sometimes you may see some introductory words such as explain, describe, depict in the question. But still, you should remember that you will get only 1 mark and 2 marks. Even if you're writing 1 page, 2 pages, or 2 sentences. So you should write only 1 or 2 sentences, or 1 or 2 lines for 1 mark questions, and 3 or 4 sentences or 3 or 4 lines for 2 mark questions. Otherwise, you will be wasting your time, and you will not be getting enough time for answering paragraph questions and essay questions. So the first question in this question paper is, what is cultural conflict? I may be describing and explaining different concepts just for making you understand the theme, just for making you understand the concept. Okay, but you should write only what you require for getting the marks. So the first question is, what is cultural conflict? Now, before telling about cultural conflict, I will be telling about cultural pluralism. Cultural pluralism is a state of a society or atmosphere in a society where the minority groups enjoy their cultural rights and the majority group would accept some aspects of the culture of the minority groups. This is cultural pluralism. And cultural conflict is the opposite side of cultural pluralism. So if you're asked what cultural conflict is for 1 mark, you can just write cultural conflict is an atmosphere in a society where minority groups feel that their cultural rights are rejected because they are violated by the majority groups. It's enough for 1 mark. Then define pluralism, just opposite of the answer of the first question. Pluralism or cultural pluralism is a state of society where the minority groups enjoy their cultural rights and the majority groups are ready to accept some aspects of the culture of the minority groups, right? Then what is social mobility? Sometimes you may feel that social mobility is traveling from one area to another area. It is not social mobility. Social mobility is movement from one social position to another position. For example, poor people become rich people. Son of a teacher becomes an engineer or an IAS officer. Yeah, then there will be a change in the social position, social status. This is known as social mobility. So the question is for 1 mark. So you can just write social mobility is the movement of a particular social group from one social status to another social status. Or you can write social mobility is the movement from a social group from one social position to another social position. It's enough for 1 mark. Then define marginalization. Just look at the term marginalization. You're making some people, or you're pulling some people, or you're pushing some people to the margin of the society. That is, you're making them away from the mainstream of the society. So you can just write for 1 mark. Marginalization is the process of making some groups of a society away from the mainstream of society by denying them some opportunities to develop themselves. Yes. Enough for 1 mark. What is modernity? If you are asked what modernity, then it is a change from the traditional aspects. Okay. So accepting some novel instruments, some new instruments in your life, at the same time accepting some new trends in life, just like new hairstyle, new dress style. Okay, this is modernity. So if you can write, modernity is the coming of new trends, new devices, new instruments, and new styles of life into the society. Is enough for 1 mark. Then what is a social institution? And before telling what social institution is, I may tell you family is a social institution, community is a social institution, school is a social institution. So a place where some people get together on the basis of some common factors and some purposes. Yes, because family is a social institution where people get together on the basis of blood relationship or marital relationships, and they have got some purposes. Okay, for example, reproduction. Yeah. So if you're asked to write what social institution is for 1 mark, you can just write a social institution is a place where some particular individuals get together on the basis of some common factors and for some common purposes. Yeah. And then comes the 2 marks questions. Explain the effect of globalization on education. As I told you earlier, don't lose your control by looking at the word explain. Yes, there is explain, but you cannot explain because this is a question for 2 marks. So you can just write globalization has got great impact on education. It has created lots of educational opportunities. It has made it possible for getting admission in foreign universities. It has made it possible for getting the classes given by an expert from another country. It has created an opportunity for getting a job out of our country, and so on. At the same time, it has got some negative effects such as cultural imperialism, creation of haves and have-nots, unnecessary tension in the minds of students, etc. This is enough for 2 marks. Just write the answer in 2 or 3 sentences. Right. Then the 8th question is, what are the features of a neoliberal society? Before telling about the features of a neoliberal society, I have to tell what a neoliberal society is. Before that, I have to tell about liberalization. Liberalization is the process of reducing the rules and regulations, or making the rules and regulations so flexible in the case of importing and exporting. And neoliberal society is a society, a product of this liberalization. Then you can think about the features of neoliberal society. You can just write, following are the features of a neoliberal society. First one, everything is decided on the basis of benefits and losses. Then emergence of fast food culture, emergence of hospital culture. Education has become an economic good. Vocational aim of education has got more preference. Okay, you can write 4 or 5 points for 2 marks. Then comes explain cultural lag. Again, never explain. Just tell what cultural lag is. It is told that cultural lag is the gap between material culture and non-material culture. It is not enough for 2 marks. It is enough for 1 mark. If it is for 2 marks, then you have to write cultural lag is the gap between material culture and non-material culture. That is, people are not ready to accept the new facilities and new devices available because of science and technology, because they're not ready to change their attitude and beliefs. This is culture. Because they are not ready to accept new devices and new facilities just because of their beliefs, religious beliefs or philosophies. Okay, and this gap is there. This gap is known as cultural lag. So for 2 marks, you can just write cultural lag is a gap between material culture and non-material culture. That is, people of a particular cultural group are not ready to accept new devices and new facilities just because of their attitude and beliefs. Why family is considered a first school of a child? Then you can just write family is the first school of a child because a child learns the first lessons of his mother tongue, acquires the culture of his society, acquires some habits, and get some moral and human values from his family first time in his life. This is enough for 2 marks. Why school is considered as a social organ? Yes, school is a social organ. We can write school is considered as a social organ because it's a miniature of the actual society, from where the child gets himself socialized by practicing the behavioral patterns to live in a group of people. This is enough for 2 marks. So I just stopped the question paper discussion here, and I'll be coming back with some other questions shortly. Thank you. Thank you very much.